Ever wondered how to transform your words into wealth? Welcome to the world of online writing, where your creativity can convert into cash. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mum from Texas. I was searching for ways to engage my mind and earn some extra money, she says. When I discovered this platform, it changed everything. I started writing about things I love, and now I'm earning more than I ever did at my previous job. And then there's Tom, a retired schoolteacher from Florida. I've always enjoyed writing, he shares, but I never imagined it could be a source of income in my retirement. This platform has not only given me a creative outlet, but also a steady income stream. This is not just about Sarah or Tom, but countless individuals who have turned their passion for words into a profitable venture. So, what makes this product a game changer? Firstly, it provides a plethora of opportunities. From blog posts, product descriptions to ebooks, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a fan of fiction or have a knack for technical writing, this platform has got you covered. Secondly, it doesn't require any prior experience. All you need is a flair for writing and the willingness to learn. The platform offers various resources to hone your skills, helping you to grow and earn more with each passing day. Thirdly, you have the freedom to choose your assignments. Work on what interests you when it suits you. Be it early morning or late at night, weekdays or weekends, you are your own boss. Lastly, the earning potential is limitless. The more you write, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. This platform empowers you to turn your spare time into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time job. Imagine living a life where your passion fuels your pocket. A life where you're not just writing for fun, but to fund your dreams. This isn't just a product, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to create, to learn, to earn. So why wait? Start your writing journey today. Turn your talent into treasure, because your words are worth more than you think.